can't reset MySQL, MariaDB, root password. Today, I wanted to create a database in PMA. It said, cannot log into the MySQL server. I tried via a terminal, same problem, and it is because my password is wrong. And I can't understand why. I tried the usual method to reset the root password, skip grant tables mounting and reset the password, but it seems it doesn't works. See that?
I have found a solution that is as strange as the problem itself. Not necessary at all, read my edits at the end of the post. Look at the plugin field into the MySQL.user table. I had to reset the plugin field of each entry to a blank string. Also, make sure that a password is defined, because sometimes it seems to be erased. Select on User, Password fields. If not, update it with privileges. Parameters need to be saved explicitly. Then, restart MySQL in normal mode and you should be able to connect to the root account. This will not necessarily disable the connection via Unix socket. After my MySQL VIA repaired, in PMA, I can see that the connection is established through an Unix socket. Edit, some months later, I'm now used to have this problem come back frequently, I think at each update of MariaDB, or something like that. So I've got a better comprehension of the problem. There's an Unix_socket plugin that can let you log in a MariaDB account without having to create a password, because it uses the shell's credentials to trust you, without having to enter any password. In fact, this plugin is an authentication plugin and not a method of communication with the SQL server. So you can safely disable it if you don't use Unix socket as a logging in method. The only thing I can't explain is why the Unix_socket plugin is regularly set on each account of the database, without any action on my side. This has the nice side effect that, when it happens, you can log into the SQL server without having to restart MariaDB with skip grant tables. Just log into the system's root account. Then just connect with MySQL, root without password, then reset the plugin field in the way it is explained above. Edit 2, confirmed, it happens on each MariaDB upgrade on Ubuntu.
From this answer, this URL. MySQL tries to authenticate root using plugin, not password. You need to disable plugin usage for root.
Connect as previously described. Log file will be showed. Search log listed in this case. For right socket. And use it in MySQL connection.
By default, MariaDB uses Unix_socket authentication plugin to set passwords. This should be MySQL_native_passwords. So, switch database. First, see which plugin is set. Set it to MySQL_native_password. Set new password.